It's Kerry again, and it's Sunday morning, even though I'm not here this Sunday morning. I'm doing this Saturday night. Are you guys tired of seeing me every day? I hope not, because we love you. We really love you guys. You notice I got some emoticons I can do. Let's clap for that. Wee! All right, so let's get to today's deal. I've got Crystal from the Zhongyu Crystal Company that's no longer in business. This was when Swarovski was at the height of their manufacturing, and this company went and made Swarovski identical. The quality is just phenomenal in it. Well, I bought a bunch of it. I mean, we have bought a lot of it, and we've got some left over, 8 millimeter bicones. Actually, I have cubes too, and maybe I'll deal with the cubes one of these days, but not today because today I am going to deal with the bicones. I've got four colors left. I've got aquamarine, I've got sunset orange, crystal light, and emerald. And you're getting 144 pieces. That's a gross for those of us that are challenged that way for 20 bucks. Well, let's see if we can do the math on that. I'm pulling out the calculator. Well, let's see. 20 divided by 144. That is 13 cents a bead. 13.8 cents a bead. Get three packages, get free shipping. So I don't have a lot. I really I don't have a lot. This is kind of like one of those I'm on a whim, and let's see if we can go and move them out because we definitely want to move them out 100%. Yes, 100%. Is that a backwards 100? Well, that didn't work out so well. So, woohoo! I like playing with this stuff. All right. So in the corners, you're going to see the different colors. Part of me tweaking my nose there. And at the end of this, you'll see a short video on them. They're nice. They're really, really nice. I hope you like them. And I know you like them. The quality is just phenomenal. All right. All right, I've got an interesting deal for you guys. These are 8 millimeter crystal bicones. Absolutely gorgeous. You can't tell them from Swarovski. This company's no longer in business, but I do have four different colors left. You get a gross of them. That's 144 beads for 20 bucks. For 20 bucks. You just got to be able to use the colors. Let me go in. Okay, we got some aquamarine going on. We've got that sunset orange. We've got emerald. Kind of maybe a deep peridot, I would call it. And then we have chrysolite. That's it. This is a really pretty color, chrysolite. So you get 144 8 millimeter beads for 20 bucks.